Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Gridwise and Everlance. Gridwise and Everlance are both popular apps designed for gig workers and drivers, but they serve slightly different purposes. Gridwise is a helpful app made for rideshare and delivery drivers who want to earn more and work smarter. It tracks your mileage, records your earning from different apps, and shows you when and where demand is highest. This means you can plan your driving time better and make more money. The apps also give you daily and weekly stats, so you always know how you're doing. It's easy to use and works with popular platforms like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and more. While it doesn't do full tax reports, it helps a lot with tracking your driving income and expenses. Everlance is a smart app that helps freelancers, gig workers, and small business owners keep track of mileage and expenses. It automatically logs your drivers using GPS and lets you swipe to mark them as business or personals. You can also upload receipts, track income, and generate tax-ready reports with just a few taps. This makes tax time way easier and help you save money with accurate deductions. The app is simple to use and runs quietly in the background while you work. It's great for people who need clear records for the IRS or just want to stay organized. Overall, Gridwise is best for boosting gig driver income, while Everlance is best for mileage and tax tracking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.